What are we doing today, Brett?
We're gonna properly stretch wrap and pad this chair, which is leather and very fragile.
And light.
And light.
Light colored, at least.
So we start like that. We get our little diagonal fold. You wanna make sure at least most of the top is covered. Get your fold on the side. Do it on this side. Hopefully this works out okay.
Well, everyone knows that when you do it on film, it's 10 times as hard.
Yeah. And then we stretch wrap.
Let's do it.
Are you gonna start it up here?
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Let's start it right in the middle over here so we're not so tight to a... Yeah, dude. Get down. How's that feel for a local?
Perfect. No stretch wrap is touching the leather, which is very important. And then you carry it out to the truck.
Beautiful.